This is the Independence Memorial, শ্রীলঙ্কার স্বাধীনতা চত্বর এটি from British rules. ভিডিও চলতেছে ভিডিও
ভাই আমার একটা ছবি তুলে দাও না ভাই।
দিমু
কতক্ষণে গাড়ি ছেড়ে দিলে?
15 মিনিট সময় আছে এখন।
ভাই তুলে দাও না ভাই।
Independence Memorial. So there are several lions.
এই কিরণ ভাই ঠিক আছে না ঠিক আছে।
So let's go ahead. What time Sri Lanka got independence?
1948.
1948. Sri Lanka
4th of February.
4th February. Oh, details. Oh yes, on 4th February in 1948, Sri Lanka got independence. Independence Memorial Hall. Okay, let's go ahead. Wow. Monkey. Python.
You video, you help me. This is my job.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
So what do you do with Python?
This you hold nice photo. This no bite. This training animal. You little touch. This is skin leather. Touch. Promise touch.
Okay, no problem. আমার ভয় লাগছে দেখে আমি অজগর ধরি নাই এর আগে।
You hold. You hold.
Oh, I can hold.
Right, hold.
Oh, no problem.
I video. Your friends look many happy.
Oh, you are looking terrific today.
Okay.
Python, right?
Python. This 6 years.
Is it bite?
No, sir. This I baby cat. I training.
Oh, you trained.
I training.
Oh, yes.
This everyday people.
Only one.
No, my have cobra. My bad. There
Cobra,
my friend
cobra.
Have cobra, yeah.
Oh, okay. I see. Thank you.
Small help, sir.
Thank you.
Small money, sir. You video.
Okay, I will come.
Yeah, where I go to
I will share in YouTube your face. Okay.
You good thing. You go to school good.
Morning. What's
You go to
business?
school no good.
Yes. What's
What you
business?
from?
Sorry,
What country?
Bangladesh.
Go to school Bangladesh. Yeah? You go to
I have a YouTube channel.
live it?
I have a YouTube channel. Yes.
Small help animal lunch. You free no? You free go to jungle. Today morning for business.
Is this Victoria Park, right? Victoria Park? Victoria Park. Park. Victoria. In front of Independence Square, this is the Victoria Park.